welcome to my channel. I'm Teacher Jo, your teacher in Mathematics 4. Okay, good morning class. This morning, I will discuss to you the topic about changing the improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. But before that class, I will give you first a drill song about fraction. Okay, are you ready class? Okay.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Half a pie, half a tree. Halves of different things are different sizes, you see. But a half is a half, big or small. It takes two halves to make one whole.
Fractions are equal-sized parts of a whole. When it comes to halves, there are two equal-sized parts that make up one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
1/2, 1/3.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a square. Fractions, fractions, they're right here. Tells how many parts there are. Tells how many parts you got. When you have parts of the whole. Fractions, fractions, what you need to know. 1/3 of a pie, 1/3 of a bar. Thirds of different things are different sizes by far. But a third is a third, big or small. It takes 3/3 to make one whole.
It takes 3/3 to make one whole. 1/3, then 2/3, and 3/3. That's one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
2/3, 3/4.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Numerator never under on the top.
And U for never
D for
under.
denominator's always down.
D for down.
Numerator up, denominator down. Fractions, fractions are all around. Quarter circle, quarter square. 1/4 plus 3/4 makes one whole right here. And a quarter is a quarter, big or small. It takes 4/4 to make one whole.
Try to say these fractions.
1/4, 3/4, 6/8, 15/16.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright.
Okay class, do you like the song about fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
There are many fractions mentioned in our song. I am right class? We have 1/3, 1/2, 2/4, 3/4, 6/5, and so many. That is the combination of the fraction that is improper and proper fraction. Okay, so let's proceed now to our discussion this morning. But before that, let's have a short review about improper fraction class. Okay, what is improper fraction class? Improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Very good. Okay, here are the example class. We have 6/4, 7/5, 10/7, and 9/4. Okay, that is improper fraction. Next, how about mixed number class? Mixed number is a fraction which is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Here are the example class. We have 5 and 1/3. The other one, 2 and 4/5. That is a mixed number. Now, let's proceed now on how to change the improper fraction to mixed number. Okay? Improper fraction to become mixed number. Okay, I will give one example, class. A fraction of 87. 87 is improper fraction, class. How to change to become a mixed number? Okay, first steps that you are going to do is you divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, 8 is our numerator, divide by the denominator 7. What is your answer, class? Very good, 1. Okay, so 1 times 7, 7. Then subtract 8 minus 7, your answer is 1. Okay, now, how to write that to become a mixed number? Okay, first, you are going to write the quotient as our whole number. Okay, 1. The remainder is to become our numerator. Then copy the same denominator 7. So our answer now, class, in 8, 7, change to become a mixed number is 1 and 1, 7. Okay? Another example, class, 12, 10. 12, 10 is improper fraction again. So, what I have said, you're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, class, 12 divide by 10. Okay, so what's the answer, class? Very good, 1. Okay, so 1 times 10, 10. Then subtract 12 minus 10, your answer is 2. Okay, so how to write again to become a mixed number? Okay, 1 is to become a whole number. The remainder 2 to become our numerator. Then copy the same denominator 10. So our answer now is 12, 10 to become 1 and 2, 10. Okay, did you understand, class? Very good. Now let's proceed on how to change the mixed number to become an improper fraction, class. Okay, mixed number change to become improper fraction. Okay. Okay, proper fraction. I will give you one example first, class. 2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4 is a mixed number. How to change that to become an improper fraction? So, okay, first, you are going to multiply the whole number by the denominator. What is the whole number in 2 and 3/4, class? Of course, 2. Okay, 2, multiply by 4, your answer is 8. Then the next steps, you are going to add our numerator 3. So what's your answer, class? 8 plus 3, 11. Then copy the same denominator 4. Now, our mixed number of 2 and 3/4 is 11, 4. That is our improper fraction now. Another example. 6 and 1/3. Okay, again, that is a mixed number. Okay, let's change to become an improper fraction. Okay, again, you're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator, class. Okay, our whole number is 6. Multiply 3. Your answer is 8. 18. Okay, then add the numerator 1. Your answer is 19. Then copy the same denominator 3. So our answer now, class, is 19, 3. Okay? Did you understand now? Very good. Okay. So I will give you again the steps on how to follow in changing the mixed number to become an improper fraction. Let's first the improper fraction to become mixed number steps. Step number 1, class, by the numerator by the denominator. Okay, step number 2, divide or the quotient will become the whole number. Okay, then step number 3, the remainder becomes the numerator. And the last steps, okay, the denominator remains the same. That are the steps in changing the improper fraction to become mixed number. How about mixed number to become an improper fraction? Here are the steps, class. Step number 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator. And step number 2, the answer of that you are going to add to the numerator. And the last, you are going to copy only or put the same denominator. Okay, that are the steps in changing mixed number to become an improper fraction. But class, I will give you another method on how to check your answer to be sure your answer is correct in changing improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. Here are class. Okay. We are going to check if your answer is correct. Okay. Number 1, 9, 7. 9/7 is an improper fraction. Of course, you are going to change that to become a mixed number. So you are going to divide 9 by 7. So what's your answer, class? 1. Very good. So subtract 9 minus 7 is 2. So we are going to write now to become a mixed number. So of course, the quotient is our whole number. The remainder is the numerator, and copy the same denominator 7. So that is a mixed number from improper fraction to mixed number. This is now our answer. How to check to be sure your answer is correct? Okay? So what you are going to do? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. Of course, class. Multiply the whole number by the denominator. What's your answer? 7. Then add the numerator 2. So your answer is 9. Then copy the same denominator. Look at class, okay? From the mixed number to become, from the improper fraction to become a mixed number, then you are going to check. Okay, this is now your answer. Okay, class? Okay, so meaning to say your answer, improper fraction is correct in checking that you are going to become again an improper fraction. So your answer is correct. Okay? So another example, mixed number. Okay? 3, 1, half. That is a mixed number. So of course you are going to change to become that an improper fraction. What will you do? Multiply first the whole number by the numerator, denominator, okay? So then your answer is 6. Then add the numerator 1. Okay, your answer is 7. Then you are going to copy only the denominator, same denominator. So your answer is 7, 2. Okay, so let us check again. So you're going to divide 7 by 2. Okay? So what's your answer, class? 7 divide by 2. Of course, your answer is 3. Okay? 3 times 2, your answer is 6. Then subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Now, let us write now to become a mixed number. Okay? What will you do? You're going to write the quotient as the whole number, the remainder to become a numerator, and copy the same denominator too. Look at class. 3 and 1/2. Okay, so from the mixed number, 3 and 1/2, then change to become an improper. Your answer is 7/2. Check again if your answer is correct. If your answer is correct, 7/2. Check again, divide 7 by 2. Your answer is 3 and 1/2. So, meaning to say, your answer is correct. Did you understand, class? Very good. Any question? No more question, okay? So, what will you do now? Get a piece of paper. You try to answer in your own class. I will give you 1, 2, 5 numbers. Okay, are you ready, class? Okay, this is the direction. Change improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. Okay, number 1, class, 9, 8. Number 2, 3 and 1/4. Number 3, 6, 4. And number 4, 2 and 6, 3. Okay, and number 5, 15, 13. Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to answer, class. Okay, are you finished, class? Okay, let us check if your answer is correct. Okay, look at. Okay, let us answer together, class. Okay, so 9, 8, that is improper fraction. So we are going to change to become a mixed number. So of course, you are going to divide 9 and 8. So what's your answer, class? 1. Then subtract, your answer is 1. So, how to write again? Okay, 1, the whole number, 1, numerator, and 8. So, your answer number 1, class, is 1 and 1/8. Okay? Who got the correct answer? Very good. Okay, next. Number 2 is 3 and 1/4 is a mixed number. So, we are going to change that to become an improper fraction. Okay, what will you do again? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. So, your answer is 12. Then, add the numerator 1. So, your answer 1 is 13. Copy the same denominator 4. So, our answer now in number 2, class, is 13, 4. Okay, and number 3, class, 6/4, that is improper fraction. We are going to change to become a mixed number. Okay, you are going to divide again 6 by 4. Okay, what's your answer, class? Of course, 1. Okay, so 4, then subtract 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, so what's your answer now? 1 and 2, 4. Now, that is our mixed number, class. Okay, next number 4, class. Okay, 6 and 2 and 6, 3. That is a mixed number. That is a mixed number. We are going to change to become an improper fraction. Okay? So, you are going to multiply again the whole number 2 by the denominator 3. Your answer is 6. Plus 6, your answer is 12. Okay, then copy the same denominator 3. This is now our improper fraction. Who got the correct answer for number 4? Okay, very good. Okay, next, the last number 5, 15, 13. That is improper fraction. So, we are going to change to become a mixed number. So, what will you do? Divide again. 15 divide by 13. Okay, what's your answer, class? Of course, 1. Okay, so 13. Then subtract 15 minus 13. Your answer is 2. How to write again? Okay? The quotient to become whole number, the remainder to become numerator, and copy the same denominator 13. So our answer in number 5 is 1 and 2, 13. Okay, so who got 5 class? Okay, good job. Okay, that's the end of my discussion this morning, class. Okay, see you my next discussion. Okay, but don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you my next video, class.